I've been doing this YouTube thing for a while now, and over the last few years I've made some pretty cool online friends by simply sharing the vision and capturing what we love doing. And today, we set out to meet some of these people. So yeah, now I'm settled in on the train, I can explain a little bit more what we're doing. So the plan is I'm going to Missouri to meet Brickhouse Build and attend his open event for his new workshop, which looks incredible. We're also going to be doing a ride out too. I can't talk too much about it because I don't know who's going. I know there's going to be a handful of other creators and stuff and some people I really cannot wait to meet, but overall it's going to be an awesome trip. Yeah, let's go. So with the long journey ahead of me, it was a good idea to have some breakfast using this baby knife to set me up for my travels. So finally through security, always a ball ache, but no issues with my camera bag and all my camera gear because I've got a million batteries with me. Thank God for the blue passport, one good thing of Brexit, that and sleepless nights. But yeah, let's carry on, let's go. And on that depressing thought, I boarded the plane to Chicago and hit the skies. So, in Chicago, it can suck my nut though. The airport here is ridiculous. I had to go through security, collect my bag, go through and drop it off, go through security again, back into the lounge, and I have to do all that within 2 hours. So, bit of a stress, bit of a rush, but I've managed to do it in time. Got myself a coffee. Let's get to St. Louis. Just full on vommed on that flight, man. Can you tell? It was a bit turbulent, and I think the travelling's got to me today, but we made it, we're here. Just gotta go and collect my bag and find BJ. So BJ's just dropped me off at the Airbnb and let me just show you around. Look at this place. We've got some cool stuff on the wall about St. Louis, an owl. But let me show you the bedroom. And it's got a Gillo, a jean pillow. But yeah, it's been a super long day. I think I've added like 5 hours onto my day, something like that. But yeah, we're gonna hang out, put some stuff on charge, recharge my batteries. Me and Gillo, I'm gonna have a little lie down. After spending the morning getting familiar with my surroundings and seeing the sights, I got to visit somewhere we all might recognise. Can you tell where I am now? Can you see? I am with the man himself, Brickhouse Builds.
Complaints about this Polypro, okay?
I got used to seeing it. I don't know what you guys are moaning about. It's Polypro. It's functional. But yeah, we are in the Brickhouse Builds original building, and we're going to go over to the new spot, have a look at that, and yeah, help them get ready for this event this weekend. So
I just thought it was going to be cool to take a little bit of time and be in this space, and as a reminder of these steps that it takes to get, to get where I want to go.
Of course.
This is a very important workspace, being that it was so small, everything had to be very organized, and it was a good lesson in just efficiency, basically. So hopefully I can carry on a lot of these lessons to the new space, as I very much appreciate it, appreciate the simple things like having a bathroom.
Of course.
Right next to where I'm working. I mean, that was something I didn't have in here. Having a sink, I could wash my hands now.
We both started in small spaces, and just like the shipping container, that had no bathroom though.
Oh,
that had no bathroom, and I'm not going to go down into the roots of what I had to do. But we start in small, humble spaces like this, and we grow. Yeah, so let's show you the new space.
Yeah.
What an awesome space. After helping BJ prepare for the event, I forgot I had a little surprise waiting for me. I have to say thank you to Rorok for sending me out a helmet for this trip and the ride, of course. It's one of the glossy ones, which I've not had yet. There it is. Look at that.
Got some stormtrooper vibes.
It does, yeah, exactly that. Always, always. There we go. Okay, now that's a Stormtrooper. After unboxing the wicked new lid, we went and got some Chick-fil-A and continued preparing the shop as others arrived from out of town. BJ just being BJ.
Yeah, this will look great.
It's just the way you came in so elegantly. Yeah.
It was elegantly.
Not elegant. But it is.
And then BJ, that top guy, he treated everyone to some pizza. Obviously, we all got to hang out and finally meet one another.
I don't know what name you're going to get.
Oh, I love this thing. I love it. It's just one of them nights, it's like 11 o'clock at night and he's getting all the toys out, so let's have some fun. I love it. I love it. Just wheelie everywhere.
Yeah, I've done like 3/4 of a mile on it, I think. It's like the longest straight found.
Is it just a lawnmower engine or like a something?
So this is actually, it's a newer mini bike.
Okay.
And I have, probably can't see much, I made it look like an old mini bike.
Yeah.
So it's still got a disc brake on it, but I like moved the grab handle and I narrowed the forks, did bigs and littles on it, and I sourced an old patinaed Briggs.
Yeah.
Wore out. I used to have a modern like overhead
5
valve.
horsepower. That's all you need.
But yeah, still got the old pulse jet carb and
Tons of fun. Tons of fun. Ryan's turn. So it's 8 AM. We've got a lot of the bikes in here ready to ride. People are starting to arrive too. And we're going to go on a 130-mile ride, I think, over the next 3 and a bit hours, a couple of stops. And I'm just excited to hit some American roads and, yeah, just experience something a little bit different. Go on, how are you feeling about today then and the ride?
I'm so pumped.
Yeah.
I've been looking forward to the ride for so long, and it's always I always get really excited when I have visitors come into town. I'm very lucky with a lot of things, but I'm also very lucky with the riding roads I have here.
Of course.
I always like to show people those. So, perfect opportunity to do so, and the weather is perfect.
It's on our side today, yeah.
Coffee, bagels, we have, got feeding people, we're caffeinating them, and getting set up. All the bikes have oil in them, which is like, couldn't ask for more, super excited.
So today is the day, my first time riding American roads with a bunch of awesome people. BJ lent me his Honda CX500. He's made a few videos recently of him restoring it and getting it running, and I had the pleasure of adding a few hundred more miles to this machine. Now I know this is going to get a little deep, but I really did appreciate every twist and turn these roads had to offer, and I'm thankful I got to touch tarmac here. These roads are sacred. Like all roads are to their riders, we seek them out in times of hardship, or just to get away from it all. And to ride someone else's roads was a very humbling experience. That was so fun, man.
Yeah, I know.
So fun. So fun. So fun.
What do you think of these roads?
Love them. Yeah, incredible. How was that for you, the ride?
Oh, God.
Yeah.
As soon as we started going through the foothills and stuff, and then it opened right up.
Oh, the roads are so smooth as well.
That is the definition and pride of America.
Yeah, that was awesome. Like first hour and a half, and oh god, I can't even describe it. You know, I hope the footage does it justice. It's definitely an experience, and yeah, we're gonna carry on now. After a quick stop, we set off to find some more incredible roads to ride. The fact I was here with all these people that had come from all over the USA, this was such a special moment for me. Meeting all these people I'd only spoke to online, and to share this awesome experience with. These roads were truly amazing, and I wish I could have shared them all with you, but I just kept filming until the batteries went flat. So what ended up being a 5-hour ride, we had no time to spare before the open house started and we got to work filming the event. I won't show too much on this video, but go and see the full thing over on BJ's channel. I've linked it all down below, so check it out after this video. With the successful event and the night rolling in, I got everyone to sign my Ruroc helmet as a memento for this trip, and it was time to let loose and have some fun. So we've just finished the open event and we're just going to hang out now. We're just having fun riding some bikes in the evening because it's a very nice evening. Some good people, doing good things, having fun.
Awesome.
Peace out, take it easy.
You be careful going home. He's off. Now he's gonna need one. I love it. That's so fun.
Right, out in the Cobra. Listen to that.
Be a little bit of the experience.
The sound is the experience.
I'll get on a little bit right here.
Right there, yeah.
I can just like picture me like losing control and then knocking over like one of his amazing bikes, and then we have to explain that to BJ.
Hey, well, I won't tell him. I'll just show him instead.
Just did it stay straight or did it lean forward? Were you perpendicular with the earth or with the ramp? Yeah, just we'll stand in front of a nice bike.
Oh, that was easy.
That's all. Easy.
Yeah.
Just the confidence, man.
Yeah, she just went right into that.
Get used to it. Real meaning. It's just you put a little pressure on your toes or a little pressure on your heels.
Alright, this thing's
Yeah, it's the first 5 seconds we like, and then it's fine. It looks, yeah, it works.
Alright, I got it now.
Once you got it, you got it.
Whoa!
I don't want to fuck around here.
He's a nutcase. Absolute nutcase.
Bit like harsh thing.
Yeah, that was pretty smooth.
If you were able to drink that straight out,
Yeah, that's pretty smooth.
Have a try. Moonshine.
Moonshine have you had?
I didn't know what to expect when it smelled. I was like, is it going to smell like lemon?
I don't know, people make it and you gotta try it. Welcome to America.
So after my first taste of moonshine, it was getting late and it was time to say goodbye to some people. Nice meeting you.
Safe travels, man.
FRS or whatever.
Come on.
Jish, Josh, both.
Yeah.
Jish, Josh.
Yeah.
Pleasure to meet you, brother.
Mate, awesome.
Safe travels back home, and thank you to BJ at Brickhouse Builds for facilitating this experience for all of us to finally come together. And that's the power of social media. So it's pretty unique and very grateful to be in this position, to be able to meet these guys and have this experience that I will never forget, and a ride that is hands down probably top number 1, 2 rides of my riding career. So with that, I got a long drive ahead of me back to New York, but we're super pumped. And if anyone ever needs anything, reach out, Mile Zero Racers, and we'll catch you in the next episode or the next collaboration.
Yeah. Come to Birmingham.
We're going to Birmingham.
With the final day already here and one last ride on the cards, I can't believe this trip is almost over. I'll be posting today's ride on the second channel, so make sure to subscribe and go and check it out. Up the road, doggy, hi! 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 Hey! Hey, Moose. Be free. Go. Be free. Go on! Just don't look back. Don't be free. Goodbye. Life will be better. But to end this journey, I wanted to go back to where it all started. So, I just want to say thank you so much for inviting me here. Like, this has been incredible. Seeing your workshop and just being a part of it, you know, filming, having fun, like, even the rides. We've just been on a ride today and it's honestly so fun.
Yeah, I'm very fortunate.
Cheers.
But, man, you guys help make this space alive, you know? It's nothing when you're in here by yourself, just...
Yeah.
But, yeah, having company here, good company here, just make this place alive. I was just so happy that you made it and everybody else. It's been a hell of a weekend.
Now I just want to read something out to you. A little letter I've got. Don't know if you remember this.
Okay, I do.
Josh, thank you for being such an inspiration as well as such a big help with all your questions and support. I remember finding your videos before I'd even started my channel and realised I had never seen my modified bikes in such a beautiful format. You really put a ton of love into your videos and bring your own unique spin to them. The move to your container is very exciting and you will kill it from there on for sure. I would be honoured to get a Brickhouse Build sticker on that wall for a splash of colour. I think I put one on there.
I pointed out, as soon as you put it up there, I found in the video, I was like, yes.
And thank you, keep being awesome, sir. Yours sincerely, BJ. Now all I want to say is, look where you are, look what you are doing now. Like, the shoe's on the other foot. And yeah, it's incredible.
Well, I'm again, I mean, that letter, like I said, I found your channel as great inspiration for something to shoot for as far as like how to capture what I'm doing, you know? It's mechanical work at the end of the day. It's not like it's that glamorous, but you can make it beautiful. You know, anything you enjoy, you can put your spin on it, and it's just, I don't know, it's such a cool community. Everybody here, yeah. You know, not just you, but everybody here, we have our own take on things, and just...
But just seeing you grow and seeing what what you're doing with everything, it's that's inspirational. And I just want to say, like, I'm very proud of you.
Well, thank you. It means a lot.
Correct.
Yeah.
It's been brilliant.
Yeah, it's been awesome. Couldn't have asked for really a better weekend, you know. We made it happen. It was going to be a complicated thing to, you know, get you over here, get everybody else in here, but we made it work, you know, and I think it's a good sign. We keep, there's been a few times now, we keep talking about like leaving the shop or going and doing our things, and 10 minutes later, yeah, we should probably leave. And then like another 10 minutes, we should probably get going, but we're still here just hanging out, enjoying each other's company. And it's
been an incredible week. It's been an incredible week. I just can't wait to share this with you guys. So.
Yeah, I don't know what this video is going to look like. I know I was running around like a chicken with my head cut off yesterday, but it all came together. I've never done anything like this. It was busy.
But to cheers to that.
We made it happen. You know, everybody here helping.
And on that note, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.